Hello friends, today we are going to learn another interesting Excel trick wherein we will learn the usage of Control G, then Control plus and alters equals to together in a single video. Earlier in one of my previous videos we have learned the usage of Control G and alter and equal to command together. In case you have missed watching the previous video wherein there was a blank row inserted already, then you can watch the video over here by clicking the I button on the top of your screen. But here in this particular case we are going to learn Control G, then Control plus and alter equals command together. The difference between the previous video's Excel sheet and this video is that it has no blank row at the end of each quarter, unlike the previous Excel sheet where there was a blank row for totaling. So here we will be inserting an additional row and then we will be entering or performing the subtotals. Now let us see how it is done. Now first of all we will be selecting this particular column wherein the quarters are listed right from this place to this place, and then what we will do is we will press Ctrl G and then press special button, and then we will have to go to constants. Let the other options being as it is and click OK, and you will see that all the filled cells were darkened or grayed because those cells have been selected. Now next step would be to insert one line prior to each of the selected cells. Now here when I press Control and plus together, here you have to remember that the plus symbol will be the plus key on the numeric pad has to be keyed in, and then you will see that there is another pop-up is with insert options. So the options are shift cells right, shift cell down. We will choose the entire row option here and then we will press OK, and then you will see that here before each quarter ends there is another additional line inserted. Now we will move from this A column to D column. We will select the columns column D wherein the amounts are listed like this, and then again press Ctrl G, go to special, and now we will choose blank cells. And now when we choose blank cells, the blank cells in the amount column get automatically selected. You can very well see this thing in the grayed cells as grayed cells. Now our job is to just press alter and equal to, and we will see that all the cells have been, empty cells have been filled by the total of the amount column. And this is how we can use firstly Ctrl G command, go to learn how to use go to special command, then Control and plus command for inserting additional rows, and then the alter and equal to command for performing the totaling of the amount column. I hope you have found this video useful. In case you like the video, please press the like button. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button to get continuous updates of the new videos added on the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.